Hey everyone, in today's TikTok video, I want to show you how to do voiceover for your TikTok videos. And it's a new update that came out back in March of 2020. So make sure you update your TikTok app so you have this update. But what you want to do is inside of your profile or inside of the TikTok app, go ahead and press the plus sign first. And you could go ahead and either record a video. I just flipped my camera to record a video, or the little upload icon here. If you already recorded a video, like if you captured your phone or a screen, you could choose it from your upload. But right now, let me just press record and I'll just record a regular video. And my voice doesn't matter right now. I'm going to show you how to do voiceover. And I'm done recording it. I'm going to press the check mark right now. So again, upload or record the video you want and then press check mark. Do not press sound up here to add music. We're going to do that later because music is going to have a problem here with voiceover. And on this page, as long as you updated your app, you should have this little voiceover icon. You see that on the right? Press that. And this lets you record voice on top of your video. Again, exactly what I'm doing here. So I'm going to press tap or long press to record. Now I'm going to record my voiceover. In this video, I'm going to show you how to record voiceover. And then I'll press stop. And then I could always go back and re-record. I'm just using my finger here to go back to the beginning, or I could record where it is not red. So some of my video doesn't have voiceover towards the end. And then this is important. On the bottom, you see it says keep original sound. I don't want that. I don't want the sound of my voice from before. I want this, the new voiceover. So I'm going to turn that off. And now I'm going to press save on the top. And let's say right now it's actually playing my voice. I have it on mute. So it will have the voiceover, not when I recorded the video, but when I pressed voiceover and recorded that section. Now I could press sound on the bottom. Instead of doing it on the very first page, I could add music now. So if I added music, again, I'm going to put this on mute so I could put it on YouTube. And this is added sound. So now my voiceover has music along with it. And I could go to the volume tab right here, and added sound is at 50%. That's basically the level of the music. So if I wanted that to be a little bit lower so you could hear my voiceover more clearly, I would just go ahead and reduce that. Again, it depends on the music you choose and how loudly you recorded the voice. Let's say that's it and I'm all done. I'll click away right in the center. And right now I have voiceover from the voiceover icon on the right, and I added sound from the bottom corner, and I changed the volume of the sound. Now I could press next, and this is the video I basically recorded with voiceover, and I could post it with my description. And it's that simple to use voiceover inside of TikTok. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for easy to follow social media videos, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.